AI is not the future, it is the present. See, Nigerians are cashing out big time by using AI tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, and many others. So, whether you are a student, a professional, or even jobless, these opportunities are within your reach. Today, I will show you how to turn AI into cash without spending a fortune or needing tech skills. Yes, so I want you to watch this video to the very end because hustle number 5 is a gold mine you do not want to miss. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl favorite Chinazor here again. Now you're welcome to my channel where we explore practical side hustles to make money with your smartphone for smart people and how you can grow your YouTube channel as a small YouTuber. Today's topic is all about AI, how regular Nigerians are earning in dollars from using free or affordable AI tools. This isn't about hype, it's about real opportunities you can start today. Okay, let's dive in. Hustle number 1, ebook creation with ChatGPT. You guys are sleeping on this hustle. I have a full video on how to create your ebook in less than 24 hours with ChatGPT. Did you know you can write and sell ebooks without being an author? Yes, ChatGPT does the hard work for you. These are the simple steps to make. This is not detailed, but if you want a detailed video, please go to this video and watch. Now, for the purpose of this video, these are the steps to start. You need to identify a trending topic. A trending topic could be how to save money in Nigeria or how to make money in Nigeria. Now you go to ChatGPT to create a content. So you can ask ChatGPT to generate the content for you. Now then you go ahead to publish on platforms like Amazon Kindle or Okada Books or even Seller. These are platforms you can upload on. See, there's an example of a Nigerian entrepreneur who sells AI written cookbooks and earns about $500 in the first month. I'm not joking, I'm not capping. Guys, go to my other video, you'll see how to sell and how to make your ebook. Okay, this hustle is a big deal. If you know, you know. Now this is a pro tip. Okay, create guides on niches topics like Yoruba cuisine or starting a business in Lagos. Do a guide that can attract people to the main course meal, which is your ebook. If you want a detailed video, please go to my video. I have a detailed explanation on how to create the ebook and how to sell out the ebook fast. And those tips are not tips that you just get anywhere. I made thorough research to get those tips. Hustle number 2, AI generated art and designs. See, are you a creative? Like, do you have creative minds? With tools like MidJourney or Canva AI, you can create and sell digital art or logos. Yes. Now, how do you get started? You can use MidJourney to generate stunning, beautiful visuals, pictures, and these items can be sold on platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, or even Instagram. Now, how do you get started? You can use MidJourney to create stunning, beautiful visuals, and then you sell on platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, or even Instagram or TikTok for that matter. Yes. An example is an artist in Abuja who makes about $1,000 monthly selling AI generated greeting cards online. I'm telling you, no cap. Trust me. Now here is a pro tip for you. I want you to focus on unique Nigerian themes, the cultural art or Afrobeat inspired designs, something that would make your design stand out and not so common. Okay, something unique. AI powered content writing. See, every business needs content, and AI makes it easier to deliver. Now, here is what you can do or how to start. You can offer services like blog writing, social media captions, or product descriptions to business owners. Now, you can use ChatGPT to draft content in minutes. I am telling you. There's an example of a student in Port Harcourt who earns about $200 weekly by writing articles for international clients. See, here is a pro tip. You can find clients on platforms like Upwork, LinkedIn, or local business forums. Guys, this third hustle is a big deal. Now, hustle number 4, selling AI prompts. What if I told you that writing the right questions for AI can make you money? I personally know someone who does this business. Now, here are the steps to start, okay? You can experiment with prompts for tools like ChatGPT and MidJourney. There are other AI tools you can leverage on. I'm just mentioning these ones as case studies. Now, you can decide to sell high-performing prompts on websites like PromptBase. There is a creative in Lagos who earns about $300 monthly selling prompts on AI-generated art. Yes. So you can create prompts or you can sell prompts for different things. Just look for a niche that you know you are good at, and look for a niche that you know that is valuable, that is in demand, that people would ask for. This is very important. Okay, so here is a pro tip. Test prompts for niche areas like Nigerian landscapes or business content. Guys, this hustle is a big deal. Hustle number 5, building online courses with AI. This is hot cake. You remember I told you hustle number 5 will blow your mind. It's a gold mine. See, education is a hot industry, and AI tools make it simple, easy, in fact super simple to create online courses. So here are the steps to start. You can use ChatGPT to craft or draft lessons plans. Okay, it could be quizzes, it could also be guides, and then you sell on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or even WhatsApp groups. Okay, there's an example of a Lagos tutor who used ChatGPT to create coding course. He created a coding course and he made over $2,000 in 3 months. Yes, so I want you to do this. Do a survey, focus on in-demand skills like English fluency. So many people are writing IELTS right now. You can leverage on that. It could be tech basics. So many people are trying to move to the tech industry. You can leverage on that. It could even be language for beginners. It could be Yoruba for beginners, Igbo for beginners, something in demand. Do your research, and trust me, you would make a lot of money from it. Now, these AI hustles are more than just ideas. They are real opportunities. You can start now, and they are waiting for you to grab them. Yes. So which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you want me to break down any hustle in more details, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment. In fact, turn on your notification bells. Okay? Together, we will make 2025 the year of financial freedom. Keep hustling smart. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.